Wait, this is super interesting video. If you feel your smartwatch is too heavy and your wrist needs some break, or you are tired with charging every day, then it's time to switch something way smarter. Meet the Nova Smart Ring, a tiny ring that gives you every feature your smartphone offers except time. From heart rate tracking, sleeping monitor to all activity, all packed inside this smart ring. Let's unbox it and see whether this is worth it or not, or it is better than your smartwatch or not. Let's find out. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. It's made my day. So now it's time to unbox tiny smart ring. Let's go. So in front side you see a logo of smart ring, then right hand side you can see Nova Smart Ring, and again logo branding is there. Then so many features written on the back like Bluetooth version 5.1, lithium battery, operating temperature is between 0 degree to 50 degrees Celsius, so it's quite good, and it is dust and water resistant smart ring which is IP68. So now let's see our smart ring. Put your smart ring in index finger. So yeah, it's fit in my index finger and it's almost 10. So if you order any smart ring, then please order first is kit. Different brand has different size, so take care for that. Now let's see what we are getting inside it. One charging port, and it is a charging port. You can just hang your smart ring like this and it start charging. Okay, so on back side you can see Type-C charging cable. As you all know, Type-C is everywhere. Then let's see what we are getting more. Here you can see a small Type-C to USB charging cable and some manuals that you definitely want to ignore. So let's get started. So now let's try to connect our smart ring to our smartphone. In user manual you get a barcode. You can directly scan it and you get Nova Smart Ring app. Whether you are iPhone user or Android, both work. So let's try to connect my smart ring to my smartwatch. Let's see how much time it take. It take a minimum 2 seconds to connect my smart ring to my smartphone, and it's basically Android phone. So good connectivity. Now let's talk about this amazing smart ring features. The first thing I noticed, it's super light. It's approx 3 grams, which is lesser than your home key. Now second thing, it is made from titanium alloy, which means it gives you strong, durable comfort to wear all the day without any skin irritation. Now the third feature is water resistant. It gives you IP68. It means you can dive into a swimming pool, hand your wash or take shower without any worry, because it's come with IP68. Now if you talk about battery, it's pretty good. Nova claim it's last around 4 to 7 days on a single charge, and it take only 1 hour to full charge. It's quite amazing. And one more thing, another cool feature is that there is no subscription fee or any data breaches, because it is completely subscription free and your data stay private. Everything is stored on your phone, not on their server. From my personal experience, the ring feels very comfortable on your index finger, and many companies suggest that you can wear your smart ring into index finger for accurate data. One more thing, just make sure your smart ring fit completely in your index finger, not too loose, not too much tight, so that you can get the accurate data. If it is loose, then it does not give you exact data. The Nova Smart Ring does almost everything a smartphone can. It tracks your sleep, calorie and over 100 sports activity. It can also monitor your sleeping track, heart rate, SpO2, stress level and recovery. For me as a gamer and a content creator who stay up late, it's super useful to check how well I slept and recovered. Setup is quick, just pair with application and wear all the day. So far it's working smooth and feel really promising. So now the question arises, who should consider the Nova Smart Ring? The first, if you are someone who spend late night gaming or monitor your sleep track and recover, then this smart ring is for you. Second thing, if you don't like bulky smartwatch and if you really want to track your health, then this smart ring is for you. If you are a proper gamer then it's also track your stress level, then how much stress you are taking while gaming. So it's a good idea if you buy this smart ring. Link in the description below. Go and check it out. Let's see a quick comparison between Anarch smartwatch to Nova smart ring. So the first thing I measure is heart rate. In Anarch watch it gives 88 BMP and in Nova smart ring it gives 89, which is okay. And if you comparison between SPO2, both are giving exact data which is 97%. But here is the twist. If I measure stress level, then Nova smart ring give me 35, which is normal, and in Anarch watch it give me 55, which is mid level of stress. I don't know which one is correct. You can tell me in the comment box. If you really want to purchase this smart ring, link in the description. Go and check it out, which cost you around 15,000. So if you take my opinion, I think it's okay. Titanium alloy which give you comfort, stability and many more, and so many features, approx 100 plus sports activity there, and all the type of tracking like stress level, SPO2, heart rate, sleeping track. Soon I'll make a video on comparison between Anarch watch, smart ring and Apple watch to tell you the exact data which smartwatch and smart ring give you exact data. And in this smart ring you can check your sleep quality also, and in my opinion this is one of the best smart ring if you are willing to purchase. So if you really enjoy my video and find helpful to you, please hit the like and subscribe button. I will catch you in next video. Until then, stay creative, stay healthy and keep gaming strong and peace.